If you have a kid who is traumatized with mathematics and math phobia is now officially a psychological problem, try bringing in language or writing in the class, and fictitious writing or free writing where there is no limit to the imagination that child can go to. Let the kids do things like cost of the trouser that I bought is 34.343434 ... Don't say this is not even possible or this doesn't work. Ask them to design a magazine where they are teaching maths to somebody else, complete with advertisements, cost and other thing in it. Bring as much as possible writing work in the class. It's healing. Thank you.